Okay, summary of this JCX or JXC LC80. Disappointing is probably how I would say it. Best described, disappointing. Why? Well, let's go over the good first. As we know, it looks fantastic. Light kit is nice, although I wish the headlights were yellow like the light bar on the top. The 2-speed transmission is really nice. The gearing's good. It's got plenty of speed in second gear. You can still you still have enough torque to go up some hills. In low gear, I mean, this thing doesn't climb very well, but on rocks, low gear works great. And I guess the transmitter is nice. I wish it was a little bit smaller so I could use it one-handed, but it's more of a me issue. Let's see. That's about it, to be honest. Cons, I mean, it's expensive for what it does. The suspension out of the box is terrible. It's way too stiff, and they leak like crazy. The stock tires, they're, again, okay on rock, but pretty much everything else, especially like roots and wood, which is what I have a lot of around here, does not work very well. I did buy these aftermarket wheels and tires, and they're definitely better, but I mean, they're a little bit small, and anyway, they exacerbate my next issue, which is the electronics. The electronics cut out way too often. You can't really drive this at low speeds without it cutting out, and that's really the biggest disappointment. You just have to upgrade the snot out of it right out of the box, and I mean, that kind of defeats the purpose when it costs well over $100 Canadian. What else? Oh yeah, one thing that really annoyed me about this truck is, let's see, it's kind of dark out, 7 p.m. in October, but this catches on everything, and it makes it very frustrating to drive in certain spots because you get caught up. I'm gonna make some skid plates still. I had some made up, but I mean, they kind of fell off. But anyway, yeah, it's not a great truck. I wish it was. I like it, but it's not very good. So pass on this one. I mean, get it if you can find it really cheap and you don't mind using it just as a trail truck. It's pretty good as just a trail truck. Just grab a couple buddies, go for a walk, rip around. It's okay for that. It's fun, but I wouldn't really put any money into it. It's probably not worth your time. Yeah, unfortunately, that's my disappointing conclusion to this cool looking little rig. Anyway, take care.